going to try and make this very brief, so I'm not boring you here. But I will go back to the basics. Because long-term tinnitus relief happens when your brain stops reacting to the tinnitus. And that is called, I mean, you guys know it if you've been following and watching my channel, habituation. So cognitive behavior therapy and acceptance and commitment therapy can teach our brain and the nervous system, which up until now, if we have bothersome tinnitus, very severely react to our tinnitus, yes, that tinnitus is not a threat, first of all. The second thing that it teaches is like, I can still live my life fully despite the presence of my tinnitus, which is a sign to the brain that tinnitus isn't actually as threatening. And I do not need to control or get rid of the sound, because even when you get those hearing aids and you do sound therapy all the time, then you still have tinnitus in the end. It won't be bothersome anymore, but you will still experience tinnitus. So this is exactly what we do, as I've also said in our 12-week program, to really help your brain learn to respond to tinnitus in a way that is more effective, and it eventually fades into the background and eventually doesn't even bother you anymore.